Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily update all of your applications and programs in Windows using just one command. The tool that we'll be using is called the Windows Package Manager, or Winget. And this is a free and open source package manager tool designed by Microsoft that's built in natively to Windows 10 and 11. Now do note that you may need a recent version of Windows for this, as it was only released officially last year. Winget is a command line interface tool, which may sound intimidating, but I promise you it's super simple. So the first thing to do is open up the Windows command prompt. You can either do that by hitting your Windows key on your keyboard or just hitting the bottom left there and then typing in CMD. So once we have that, all you have to do is click on it, and then this will open up a command prompt. So this is just a simple WINGET command that you can run and press enter. And this will show you the list of all of the different things that you can do with Winget. If you're using an older version of Windows that doesn't have this yet native, you can easily install it just by typing aka.ms/getwinget. I'll put the URL below, and you'll be able to download it as a standalone tool yourself. So if you type winget list, it'll show you, it'll think for a bit and then show you a list of everything on your computer, the version of it, the source from where it was installed, and then what potential upgrade versions there are. How do we actually tell what is possible to be upgraded? Well, type winget upgrade, and this will search for all of the things on your computer that could be upgraded. So they have outstanding upgrades available. And for me, it looks like I have 17. Let's go ahead and do winget upgrade and then _all. So this will allow us to actually upgrade all of those 17 ones that were previously listed, and it will go through them. It may take a bit of time because obviously each program has its own size. The one here, for example, is a fairly large one, 219 megabytes. So let's watch this go for a bit. I would also recommend running the command prompt in administrator mode, as I've noticed this gives you better results. All right, so I've let it run for a little bit and it successfully went through and upgraded all of those applications. So just with that one command, it successfully upgraded everything on the machine. One other function that you should be aware of is the ability to install any program just by knowing the name of it. If you've ever used Linux, you're probably familiar with a very similar package manager tool called apt-get. This is Microsoft's attempt at kind of bringing that functionality to Windows and bridging some of the gaps that are there between Linux and Windows. So let's say we want to see if there is something called PowerToys that's available for Winget. We can type winget search PowerToys and see what comes up. In this case, yes, there are indeed two different ones. I want the first one for my purposes, so I'm going to type winget install Microsoft PowerToys and type it the same way that it showed up there, with quotation marks, of course. And once I've done that, it should be able to find it. I will type yes, I agree, I accept all of these different terms. It's from Microsoft, it looks pretty safe. Now it's automatically installing the correct version of that for my PC. It's downloading it from GitHub, and I didn't have to go to any browser. I just had to know the name of it. And just to show you, immediately after that finished, it automatically opened up Microsoft PowerToys, giving me all of these different cool things for productivity. So I'm going to go ahead and uninstall that since I don't want it at this time. I'll close out of it. I'll just type the uninstall command and let it run. And it's successfully uninstalled. There's a ton of other stuff that you can do with Winget. I only really scratched the surface today. I would highly recommend you play around with it, you read the documentation, and you see what's possible. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I think Winget is a really cool tool. The ability to have a package manager built into Windows that allows you to install programs just by knowing their name, uninstall programs just by knowing their name, and of course automatically upgrade all the different programs on your machine is really powerful, really cool, something that I'm going to add to my tool belt for sure, and I hope that you learned something as well. So I'll see you in a later video. I hope you found this useful, and bye-bye.